And dear friends, this is Krita, free graphic editor, and I will show you today how to colorize very fast, very quickly by using Colorize mask. Let's do it. So, I want to colorize this picture. In order to do it quickly, I'll go to create new layer. Right click of your mouse, choose in this list add, and here add Colorize mask. Mask is added. Now let's find this icon for Colorize mask tool. Left click of my mouse. Okay, now I have to choose any brush. I will choose this normal brush. I'm okay with it. And size, let it be something like 6. And let's choose the colors in which I'm going to colorize everything. So the tree has 2 colors. It's like dark green here, and now I'm just doing such dashes over the area which has to be colorized. Okay, so the background, let it be maybe very slightly green, yeah, something like that. Okay, dashes. Okay, sun, let it be yellow, of course. The main idea is those areas to be closed. I mean, have borders from all the sides. Okay. I have to add a little bit brown part here. Let us do our mushroom. Here, let us zoom in a little bit. So our mushroom has white areas. I'm putting like dots here, but I'm putting thing is there to be inside the areas. Okay, now, and red, yeah, because it's my loveliest mushroom with red and white. Okay, I think everything is done. And now let's do it. I will do left click here. Colorizing is done. If everything is okay, you are clicking here on this small pencil. And in order to paint over this layer, I'm just going to layers and convert to paint layer. Now it's our usual layer and you can paint over it. That's it. Thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye.